Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be talking about my 19-inch wheel on my Subaru Wrx Sti. As you guys can see, these are not the 18-inch that the 2015 Subaru comes in with the stock wheels. These are the 19-inch that actually the new set that has been put on the 2018 Wrx Sti. Some of the questions I've been having about these wheels is, am I running with upgraded suspension? No, I'm not running with upgraded suspension. I'm still running with the stock suspension. As you guys can see, because of the dimension of the wheels, alright, 18 to 19 inch, the gap in between the tire and the chassis is, I will say, about 1.5 inches, if so. But there is no robbing experience when it comes to driving on the daily basis. The car is reliable and I don't have any damage on my tire rubber. There is nothing about that affecting the rotation of the wheels. As you guys can see, the front tires, there's a little gap, a little bigger than the ones in the rear, in between the tire and the body. Alright, there's not much difference, maybe a little over 1.5 inches, if so. But the drivability is just fine, no issues. The car runs perfect. 19-inch wheels. Now, if we take a look a few steps back, you probably think that I'm running with upgraded suspension, but in reality, like I mentioned before, I'm not. There is nothing upgraded as far as suspension except for the wheels. 19-inch wheels. Alright. This is what you can see so far. The drivability between the 18 and the 19 inches, there's no difference, with the exception that, of course, bigger dimensions. To me, it looks better. 19-inch wheels. My personal preference. I don't know, everyone has different preferences when it comes to sizes and type of wheels. But yeah, these are the OEM 19-inch wheels from 2018 Subaru Sti. For those of you looking to upgrade to 19-inch wheels OEM Sti, this is basically what you're gonna see, unless you have done any type of suspension work or upgraded suspension or coils or anything. You might experience some roving in between the wheel and the body, but other than that, you shouldn't. I'm not running in suspension. Once again, I'm running in stock suspension. And this is basically it. These are my OEM 19-inch wheel Subaru Wrx Sti on my 2015 Wrx Sti. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and comment down below. I will do my best to answer any questions you may have. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, I'm gonna leave you guys with a little demonstration of cruising by and how the wheels look like when the car is in motion. Alright, once again, thank you guys. Peace out.